Let's just paint a happy little picture. I am Ivy, the narrator. This time use Undergrowth 2 on the black undercoat. Unexpectedly, the result looks like a black and white woodblock print. It remains uncolored because of its interesting texture. Let's get started. New layer. Undergrowth 2. When a large area is painted, a texture similar to a woodblock print is created. Besides color change, brush size and strokes may also change the texture. Change the color of the canvas as you like. Round soft. New layer. Move the sky layer under the near view layer. Foliage. Let's represent the sun in white. Putty blend. Blend in with putty blend. Again, use the convenient putty blend for a cloud-like finish. New layer. Round soft. Eyedropper. Choose any color from the sky in the photo. Line on. Finish up the sea. Combining line and eraser to express the horizontal line. Undergrowth 2. Grass blend. Use glass blend to blend it in. Next, finish up the near view. Lightly color the tree. That's all for this time. Did you find any useful tips for painting an art set 4? Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please join us again next time. Otsukar sama deshi ta.